Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 is back again, and I'm almost finished dyeing the eggs. Yep, almost finished dyeing the eggs. The colored eggs, and this pill is still floating and stuff like that. Here's the white eggs and the colored eggs. Well, I should say regular eggs and stuff like that. So I say these are the Easter pans. So this gonna be the last segment of me dyeing eggs here on this Easter Eve, Easter Saturday. Okay, Easter Eve. Easter Saturday is Easter Eve. Easter Sunday is Easter Day. Easter Monday is the day after Easter. So tomorrow the bus is gonna run. I think RTA gonna either do Sunday. Well, tomorrow is Sunday anyway. You know. So tomorrow is Sunday. So the bus is gonna run regular, like a regular schedule of all. Okay. So they will do if the like Christmas Day the buses run the RTA runs Sunday schedule, and Jefferson Transfer runs Saturday schedule. All right, so look at these colored eggs and stuff like that. Okay, I don't know who all gonna. Let me just. All right, so. All right, here we go. There. Here we go. I'm almost finished. Okay. Almost done. This pill still floating in this. There we go. 1, 2. All right. There we go. Almost finished dyeing these eggs. All right. There we go. All right. And this one here. All right. There we go. And there we go. So I guess that. Is that the pill right there? Guess it is the pill. All right. All right. Lifted. Here we go. Up we go. Oh, come on. Up. That pill still floating. Focus camera, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It would have been 12 at the same time if this one, All right. There we go. All right. Easy does it, ladies and gentlemen. On that part, While we continue on the Easter egg thing, All right, so, yep. Show y'all the Mario part again. Yep. Show this again. Well, never mind that. The Easter egg and stuff like that, Yep, so I sure love doing this with the Easter pans, Easter pans is all done, okay? Almost finished, okay? All right, so this is gonna be the last segment on Facebook, okay? Like I told y'all, the last segment on YouTube, if y'all ever watched it, All right. All right. Okay, so here go the regular colored eggs right here. More right here. There we go. So yeah, though, by me just dissolving this and stuff, Yep. So y'all know the all right, y'all. Jesus, have mercy. All right, so I guess my next door neighbor, I don't know if she home or she went somewhere or whatever. Who knows? Her children probably went to Easter egg hunt. You know, who knows? You know, they ain't gonna be here though. Mm-hmm. So I'll find out what was happening though. But I've been so busy with my shows, you know, my gaming and everything, you know. I haven't been having time to go do other stuff because I have a show to do, ladies and gentlemen. I definitely have a show to do. I got to ride on buses to see how the routes go and stuff, you know. Yeah, I got to do all that, you know, just to see how the routes go, you know. Okay. Yep, long as nobody don't object to anything, you know. So I'm almost done with this. Look like I'm almost done with that. I'm not sure if I'm almost done with this. What about this? What about that? I don't know, you know. Mm-hmm. Yep. Almost done, y'all. So let's go here. Easy. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Here we go. All right. Easy does it. There we go. All right. Easy does it to that. Easy does it here. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. And one more cup in here. There we go. And another one. There we go. And now, more to come. Easy does it. All right. Easy does it to that. 3 more, 4 more. There we go. And there we go. All right. How many more in here? Oh, 5 more in here left, you know. All right. There we go. All right. So I might as well put 3 in here. Well, the heck with it. Well, 3 in there at that. Almost done. Okay. So soon as these eggs colorify, get more colory, you know, then we gonna take them out, and I'll probably eat some. Will I eat them on camera? As a matter of fact, I'm about to eat on camera right now. About to eat this on camera right now. All right, so let's see. All right, let me put this right here. Okay. I don't know how to okay, easy does it. If it don't slip down. All right. Maybe I should have named this almost done dying eggs and eating it up. All right. And my face is off camera. I'm eating it right now. Once again, I don't like this part. Sometimes I eat it and sometimes I don't. Oh well. For some of you people, it's the only time y'all eat eggs, you know, for Easter. Yeah, for some of you, it's the only time y'all ever eat Easter eggs, you know? Mm-hmm. Look at this. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that out whenever, you know, when I finish, you know. I'm not gonna throw it out while I'm recording, you know. Mm-hmm. Soon as I think the color is finished out of all of them, then I'm gonna take them out. So this one is happy. Okay, there we go. This one is happy. There you go. All right. Okay, domino is almost done. Okay. 2 empty pots, 2 full pans, Easter pots. Okay. These are Easter pots and these are Easter pans. Okay. You know, I could have made Easter baskets this year, but I ain't gonna do it this year though. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, like I did last year, you know. Mm-hmm. Make them fully colory and stuff like that, and then we fine. Okay. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this to YouTube though, so I gotta clear out my computer again, you know. Okay. So and before you know it, this gonna be on YouTube as well. Okay. Mm-hmm. Put it back to my face. All right. Show y'all the Mario again and everything else. And look at that the extra is missing. I don't know where it fell at, you know. Mm-hmm. All right. So let's finish. Soon as I take all the eggs out, I'm done. Okay, almost finished. Yep. Easy does it. There you go. All right. Easy does it on that one too. All right. Colored egg. There we go. Another colored egg. Easy. Yeah. Well, now I'm finished. Thank y'all for watching. About to straighten up a little bit, and that'll be it. Thank y'all for watching, and happy Easter Saturday.